Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And our today's topic is types of food. Hi, I am Japneet and I am conducting this session for our little children. Let's start. Types of food. So what are the types of food we eat? So they are energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So in this video we are going to study about all these three types of foods. Starting with energy giving food. So what should we eating for energy? So energy giving food such as rice, chapati, milk and bread gives us energy to carry out different activities throughout the day. So हमें ये सब चीज़ें खानी चाहिए ताकि हमारे बॉडी में एनर्जी रहे और हम अपने पूरे दिन के सारे काम कर सके. As you can also see in the picture, there are different variety of things are given so that you can restore energy in your body. Now let's see what are the bodybuilding food. So bodybuilding foods such as pulses, egg, milk, meat and fish help us to build muscles and keep the bones strong and healthy. So what should be eating for bodybuilding? So build our body to make our body strong. That should be dairy products and the poultry products and nuts so that our body should be healthy and so that our bones should be strong and healthy. Now the next one is protective food. So what do we eat to protect our body from germs or diseases or any harmful bacteria? Let's see. So protective food help us to fight diseases. Some fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw. So what should we eat to protect our body? We should be eating fruits and vegetables as much as we can. And some fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw. That means कच्चे भी खाए जा सकते हैं. So उन्हें खाने से और ज़्यादा फायदा होता है क्योंकि जब हम कुक कर लेते हैं फूड तो उसके कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स खत्म हो जाते हैं. सो अगर आप कोई वेजिटेबल या फ्रूट रॉ खा सकते हो सो इट्स बेटर टू ईट इट रॉ. ऑलराइट. Now other things that we need to add in our diet. So और क्या चीज़ें चाहिए हमें अपनी डाइट में ऐड करने के लिए? हमने डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करी, पोल्ट्री की, seeds, nuts, vegetables and fruits. Then what is left? Let's see. That is a very main thing in our body. We require water and roughage. It is very important. Why water is important? Do you know why it is important? No? So I am going to tell you. So water is important because you know that our body contains blood. And what is blood? It is a kind of watery substance. And how it is made? It is a combination of food which gives energy and water and other cells. So our body is basically made up of 70% of water, same like earth. And why roughage is required? So that we can digest our food properly. If we are not going to eat roughage, then we will be having digestive problems and we cannot excrete properly in the morning. So we should be consuming roughage. That means lots of fruits, lots of fruits. So you should be consuming at least 3 to 5 fruits in a day. 3 से 5 फ्रूट्स, अलग अलग फ्रूट्स आपको दिन में खाने चाहिए. Alright. Now water and roughage are important parts of the meal. We need to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day to stay fit and healthy. Also, roughage of fibers are also essential for the proper functioning of digestive system. I have already told you कि हमें 8 से 10 ग्लास पानी पीना चाहिए. It's very important because 70% of our body contains water. We urinate, it is a form of water. We sweat, it is a form of water. Our blood is a form of water. So we should be drinking lot of water. And roughage, I already told you that it helps you to digest properly. If you are not consuming roughage and fiber, that will be harmful for your body because your digestive system will be working more and will face problems while digesting food. Now, people based on food habits. We are going to do the people based on food habits. Let's see the food habits. Vegetarians, people who eat cereal, pulses, fruits and vegetables. So जो लोग सिर्फ fruits, vegetables, cereals ये सब खाते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Vegetarian. And the other people are known as non-vegetarian. Who are they? People who eat fish, meat and egg. जो fish, meat and egg खाते हैं उन्हें non vegetarian कहते हैं. And other are called vegans. So these kind of people are new. Before that there were only two categories. पहले दो ही categories होती थी, vegetarians and non vegetarians. But आजकल vegan भी होते हैं लोग. So who are vegan? Some people do not eat fish, meat, egg and milk products, so they are vegan. So vegetarians जो हैं वो सारे fruits and vegetables और milk products सब कुछ लेते हैं, but जो vegan है ना वो dairy products लेते हैं और ना ही वो poultry products लेते हैं, other than वो सारे vegetables वगैरह लेते हैं. So they are vegan. Thank you for watching and I hope I have cleared all the concepts about the food and the food habits. I hope you have enjoyed my video. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. And you can also comment in the comment section to let me know that how you liked my video or not. If you have liked it, so please press like button. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.